everybody, my name is Nicole with Nicole Ballas Lifestyle. I am so excited. Today I am going to be unboxing the Erin Condren planner bag. This is my very first video, so I am super excited. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell too as well, so you can be notified every Tuesday when I do upload my video. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the package just got here. As you can see, the box is kind of beat up, but that's probably from transit. So let's get this box open. As you can see, it comes nicely wrapped. Nice little Erin Condren sticker. Comes in a nice hefty bag. I don't know what you can use this for, but it's really nice. It's nice and thick. Or maybe an overnight bag for one of your kids, or a gym bag or something that they can use. Feels real soft. Got kind of like a metallic. I got the planner tote bag in metallic. I think this was $78. It's got a nice little Erin Condren logo up there. It looks like it's got all of the hardware wrapped up nice. And it's got really sturdy, it sticks real good, y'all. You put something in there and it's not coming out of there. Looks like this is the strap that comes with the bag. You can buy different ones that attach to the side of the bag. I know the Happy Planners, they just recently came out with the bags as well. And I know that those they're kind of universal, so they'll hook to this bag too. I wish I had one, I would put it on here, but I know that they're universal. You can buy colorful ones that goes with this, but I'm kind of like a person who likes things a little toned down. I don't like tons and tons of colors. I like it to go with everything that I wear. So just to give you an idea of what's on the inside of the bag, it looks like it's got a zipper on the here. And it goes really deep, like it goes all the way down to my wrist. It's got a thing that you can attach your keys to, I suppose. It's got two side pockets in here as well. I don't know if you can see that. It's also got a zipper on the side here. You can put like your stickers or whatever. I actually bought some stickers as well. You can stick your stickers inside of there and zip it up and take it on the go with you. I also have my Erin Condren layers book here. I'm going to put inside of here just to give you an idea how much room is in here. You can even put your day planner in there, a brush, whatever, and close it up. And as you can see, they snap on really nice.